It is Chica. Aktor na si Donnie Pangilinan reveals he has been waiting for girlfriend Bel Mariano. I've been waiting and waiting for the right person. At yan nga, dumating na sa akin si Bel. So you don't have to rush. Eventually, they'll be alone. And dagdag pa niya na talagang ikinakilig namin at nalaman namin na talagang totoong minamahal niyang aktres. She's a wonderful human, the best human I've ever met. She's absolutely brilliant, the kindest human on the planet. So napakaswerte ko na mayroon akong si Bel Mariano.